There are quite a few important customization options in VS Code, and it's easy to get them confused. So, in this video, we'll actually break down each of them and then compare them so that we could see how they all would fit together and how they're meant to be fit together. So, let's go ahead and take a look. So, on the VS Code documentation site, we have quite a bit of information that covers custom instructions, prompt files, custom agents, agent skills, and hooks, which is all great. But sometimes it's nice to have different resources for learning topics. And what I want to show you is in addition to reviewing content that's in the docs, is actually using Copilot in a few different ways to learn the differences between them. Because there are some overlaps, but it's nice to get a good, deep idea of what the core differences are between them and then also see some examples. So let's hop on over to VS Code and take a look. But before we do, let's go ahead and just screen capture the topics. I'm going to drop it in. Let me go ahead and take a look to show you what Copilot is going to see. And we could ask it to give us a summary of what each of these are. Can you go ahead and explain to me what each of these features are in a short paragraph? And what's nice here is it gives us a concise explanation for each of these features of custom instructions, which is telling us that it's reusable rule files that guides Copilot's behaviors. Also for prompt files that lets you define reusable parameterized requests. And nice summaries for the last three also. Now, something else we could ask it is to please create a chart with each of these. And then in the chart, have a column that explains the differences or anything you think is relevant. So I could use it as a reference chart so I know when to use each. And now, in addition, we have this chart here that has the feature name, what it is, when to use it, associated file extension, the scope, and even an example. And right below, we have some key differences at a glance. Instructions versus prompt files, which tells you that instructions are passive, whereas prompt files are active, and follows the same pattern for differentiating the others, such as instructions versus custom agents versus agent skills, and hooks versus everything else. So as you can see here, it was smart enough to pick what are the pairs that people tend to confuse. And there are definitely people that often confuse prompt files and instructions versus custom agents versus agent skills. Now, one more thing I'd like to ask it, which is a different way of learning, is to just quiz yourself. So let's go ahead and ask it. Can you go ahead and give me 10 different questions that give me a scenario and I need to choose through multiple choice which is the proper feature that I should use? And the features would be choosing either custom instructions versus prompt files versus skills, etc. And actually, let's change this to 4 questions because we could get the idea of the functionality with just that. And there you go. A third way to get familiar with the content through quizzes. So if we look at the first one, it tells us that our situation is we notice that every time Copilot generates React components, it uses class components instead of functional components with hooks, but we want Copilot to always default to functional components. And when we look at our options, it sounds like it should be instructions. And if we scroll down for under details, that is exactly what the answer is and has an explanation of why. This is great, and I just wanted to show you these different 3 ways that you could use Copilot to really understand differences when topics get confusing. So now let's go ahead and try to have it consolidate all this information into an HTML file so that we could reference later. Can you go ahead and consolidate all this information that you produced for me, such as the explanations of the features, the chart that you created, and the quiz all in an HTML file so I could reference later? Let's just clean up this, just make sure it's understanding me properly. It usually figures it out. All right. I created this file, Copilot feature reference. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how it looks. And it looks nice. The summary of each, beautiful chart, the differences between the features, what it is, when to use it, etc., followed by the key differences, and then an interactive quiz. So now I think you should better understand how all of these customization features work together. Let me know in the comments how you would explain the differences between prompt files, custom instructions, skills, custom agents, and hooks in your own words to a colleague. To really drive the point home, there's no better way than to actually build an app together and put them to practice, like in this video here. Thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next one.